Come on in. We're touring an enormous 3-bedroom, 2-bath on Mott Street. 2nd floor on Mott Street. Come on in. Let's take a look. Look at this living room. Enormous. This is unheard of. This could actually flex to a 4-bedroom. First bedroom of the kings. 1 of 3 kings. Again, exposed brick. Beautiful closet space. Can easily fit a king. Second bedroom, again, easily fit a king. Great closet space. Third bedroom, king size bedroom, a little dark. We're missing a light bulb on this tour, unfortunately. So, it does fit a king. And good closet space as well. Modern kitchen. Second bedroom. Come on down, take a look. This could be your next home.